this is Justran Fernandez. Today we're going to discuss similarities and differences of two versions of microprocessors, namely the Arduino Uno R3 plated through hole version that is made in Italy and the other Uno R3 that is surface mount version. Which one is superior and which one should you get? So let's find out. Why is that these two are always being compared to one another? Probably because they're about the same specifications. You can control electronic components with them, and are they popular among geeks in electronics, beginners or not? Let's look at the Arduino. This is the device you want if you want to control electronic components. You can add motors, lights, sensors, and even wireless and the Bluetooth modules to it, making the perfect platform for building robots. So, the heart of the Arduino is the Atmega 328P. Here it is, right here. So, this is known as the microcontroller. Microcontroller have basically everything they need to store, run, and execute programs right within the chip itself. And they don't require much power to run. You will often see them powered by 9-volt batteries. Arduinos come in all different shapes and size. No matter what size project you have, there are most likely an Arduino out there for it. So let us dive through its technicalities of these two microcontrollers. Here is the actual Arduino Uno R3 that was made from Italy, and it is available online. As you can see, our microcontroller is plated through holes. Here. Likely it was named by that version. Our Arduino Uno R3 is built around the Atmega 328 microcontroller. The other one is Atmega 328. It uses the model CH340G as the USB controller. It offers 14 digital inputs-output pins or I/O pins, and 6 of those can be used for pulse width modulation. On the other side, you'll notice the 6 pins that can be used for analog inputs. Other components included in the control board, such as microcontroller, power port, USB connector, reset switch, USB interface chip, crystal oscillator, voltage regulator, digital pins, TX/RX LEDs, and our analog inputs, same as here on the other microcontroller. Next is PCB layout or design. So our components are placed differently to maximize PCB space, such as you can see here, at the same time here, but are of the same kind. Our Atmega 3, the thing is that our chip here is plated through holes, and here is surface mounted. Next is our PCB quality. So they are all product of industry's machine soldering. Both of them. Here it is lead-free soldered, but another cool thing about this is that you can easily replace the microcontroller chip if needed, unlike the surface-mounted version here. Next is our memory size differences. So our 328P offers 32 kilobytes of flash memory, which is used for holding programs, 2 kilobytes SRAM, and our 1 kilobyte EEPROM. Both microcontroller run 16 megahertz. Remember that the input-output pins runs at 5 volts, which means you can be careful if you're trying to connect it to a 3.3 volt logic, because you could easily damage something there. So the only difference here in our Atmega 328 is that it is surface mounted, our microcontroller chip. This board uses a lower profile version of microcontroller, but often offers the same functionality as our Arduino Uno R3, and it is about 80% cheaper. So all in all, can use both boards for building. So durability wise, we go for Arduino Uno R3 PTH version. Practically wise, we go for our surface mount version Uno R3. So that is all. I hope you learned something from here.